Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to your App Store account. First, open the Settings application on your Apple device. Then, tap on your Apple ID, which is usually at the very top of the screen. From there, you will want to select the Payment and Shipping option. This is where you can manage all of your current payment methods and add new ones. It's a straightforward process to get started. Next, you'll see an option to Add Payment Method. Tap on that, and then select PayPal from the list of available choices. The system will then securely redirect you to the official PayPal login page. Here, you'll need to enter your PayPal account credentials to log in. This step is crucial for authorizing the connection between your PayPal account and your Apple ID for App Store purchases. Once logged in, PayPal will display the permissions it needs to connect with your App Store account. Carefully review these details to ensure you are comfortable with them. After reviewing, confirm the connection to finalize the link. Your PayPal account will then be successfully added and will appear as a new payment option within your Apple ID settings. This means you are almost ready to make purchases. Now that PayPal is connected, you can use it for your App Store purchases. When you're ready to buy an app, a game, or make an in-app purchase, simply select PayPal as your preferred payment method during checkout. You'll then confirm the purchase using your device's security, like Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. All your App Store purchases will then be conveniently billed directly to your PayPal account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.